Having problems with punctures? My name's Wayne, and today I'll be showing you how to fix a puncture with a glueless repair patch. We've all had our fair share of punctures. Having the proper knowledge and tools to fix them is essential for cyclists. There are a few different options for glueless patches. Today we'll be using Rehook Gooeys, glueless puncture repair patches. These are a vital part of your kit, and thanks to their compact size, they're easy to bring along with you on rides. Rehook Gooeys work with 3 simple steps: sand it, peel it, stick it. First off, sand over the puncture using the sandpaper provided. This will allow the patch to stick securely by removing any dirt and grime. A little trick is to sand hard for the first 2 strokes and then end with a few lighter ones. Then you can either wipe the excess dust away with your hand or with a clean cloth. Now that it's sanded down, we can peel the patch. Be careful not to touch the back of it so that the adhesive isn't affected by grease or dirt on your fingers. Don't worry about getting it wrong. Rehook Gooeys come in a pack of 6 patches in one kit. We can now stick the patch over the punctured hole. Be sure to place it so the hole is in the middle of the patch. Really important that you hold the patch in place for at least 1 minute to make sure that it sticks properly. You can use 2 fingers to apply even pressure and avoid the patch from moving around. And just like that, we fixed our puncture. You can now put your inner tube back on your bike and pump up your tyre. Thanks for watching. You can purchase Rehook Gooeys at www.rehook.bike. Don't forget to subscribe for more maintenance videos and send us any questions in the comments below.